how to buy 39a.fun token. So this token came under the symbol of 39a. Now before we started, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 3,000 to 4,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning your investment in the safe place. And this token, as you can see, it trending number 13 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So I will just go back and copy it again. Now open your Phantom wallet. So you click on swap and click here and paste the token address. So it seems that it's not available on Phantom wallet. I will just switch to Bitgate wallet. Now select the Solana as a network, click on this plus icon and paste the token address. So as you can see, it's available on Bitgate wallet. You can try to buy it there. So click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called 39a. As you can see, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. In a while you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy 39a token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.